Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush the Discover Boss and it's Rush Reviews JA. Alright, so we're out by the new Kingston 876 commercial development out by Ferry, out by Mandela. We're gonna do a drive-in video of this complex. So we're gonna drive around just to highlight some of the new buildings, some of the developments that's happening, and just to showcase the area from a drive-in video standpoint. So we have Nestle behind us, which is one of the first video on this side. We have Shopman around there, Tropical Battery, Raymore Trading, Ethereum Call Center, and a few other developments going up just the same. So it's a drive-in video, so stay tuned, put on your seatbelt, and let's get ready to drive around the entire area and showcase to you guys what's basically happening. It's a new channel, guys. Remember to subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel as fast as possible, so remember to subscribe, remember to like the video, remember to share the video, and remember to leave a comment as well. Remember to turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I do a new upload, you guys will be notified. I appreciate the support. I appreciate being back on YouTube and all the love I've been getting. Just trying to work on some consistency now in terms of video, and in the same breath just want to ensure the channel can grow, so that when we put up a video, persons can get to watch. And that's why sharing is important as well, because a lot of persons don't know we have a new channel. So stay tuned for that driving video. Alright guys, so I haven't done a driving video in a while, so stay tuned, bear with me, make sure you put on your seat belt, and let's take a drive through this multi-million-dollar development. It's the Kingston 876 Commercial Park. At the front we have Nestle. This is their distribution center, because they no longer do manufacturing in Jamaica, so they only distribute from here along with their corporate office. Remember, years ago this area was just complete swamp and was like a wasteland. I think this was probably the only road, because they use this road to go up to Plantation Heights in the hills. But now there's a lot of development happening. Alright, we'll take the left right here on Automotive Parkway. Those big warehouses down there, some of them is Raymore, some of them new mega warehouse. Over here is a call center, which is Ethereum connection. So that's a call center. Then around here is the back gate for Nestle. So to the right is the call center, and then beside the call center you have a construction company that does drilling and other heavy duty work. So they're beside the call center, and then you have a storage facility next to that. So it's 2939. So that's a warehouse. I think they're still looking for tenants to lease. This left turn bring you back out to the main. We're gonna go around Tropical Battery side and then turn back. So let me swing the camera over to the left. So there's some new construction happening over that side as well. They're working on foundation. Let me see if we can zoom in a little bit. Alright, so some construction happening over there. Just by first look, it looks like a warehouse. And then we have Tropical Battery. Right here on the left seems to be like a pumping station. Alright, so new construction, and then we have Tropical Battery right in front of us. Alright, so we're gonna turn here and go back around. So again, guys, remember to subscribe. Please don't watch and don't subscribe. We're trying to grow the new channel. So this is Tropical Battery, corporate headquarters and distribution. We have a few we call them squatters in some of these areas as well. All right, so after this video, well, before or after, but more than likely before, but it could be after as well, we're gonna set up the drone so we see how this area look from a drone video standpoint. So we're gonna set up the drone eventually. And you guys, I think so these warehouses right directly in front of the camera, so they're big. I think you may be able to see them from space, you know, or from satellite images. So that's the new warehouse. They built it like in probably 6 months, 6 to 8 months. But it's mainly vacant right now, so I think they're probably looking some tenants. And the funny thing, there's still a lot of space over here for some more mega structure, some more mega warehouse as well. So we'll just go around this side so we can take a quick look. I like it though, I like the design. It doesn't look like a typical warehouse. And I think around this side is a next call center being developed. So this is Distribution Boulevard. Then you have a road that goes down this side. There was a blockade, but they moved the blockade. So the road is built, but there is nothing down this side yet. So I guess once something come down here, and we have a need to go down there. So this is space land that's available for development. Those are the warehouses. And we're on Distribution Boulevard. And I think over this side is where a call center is coming. Right over this side. If I go down straight, I think the road is cordoned off, so I would have to turn back. So let's go around. Alright guys, as usual, just showcasing what's happening in these areas. I'm gonna do a separate video from a bird's eye view, from a drone view, so I can show you guys what's happening from up in the air. Alright, so back around this side where we have Nestle in front of us again, the call center, construction company. Let's swivel the camera over there. That's IT room, call center. We have Nestle distribution center. Take the left. So you have a lot of places on the right as well, but they're not very accessible, so I can't really show them. So I think you have an asphalt making place and a concrete like a pre-mix ready concrete place as well. Over on the right, let me just show you guys through my window. So that's a glimpse. So a lot of concrete trucks, a lot of mixing trucks over this side. Alright, so Distribution Boulevard is here, but as we say, right here is blocked off, so I couldn't come down. So they have a chain across. I think on some days I think the chain is released though. I guess because no work is happening, they have it locked for today. Then we have Shopman. You know, the Shopman truck line and tractor line has really taken over. You know, they're partnered with Tankweld Metals, and a lot of companies have upgraded their fleet. So we have Petcom cooking gas over here. A lot of companies have upgraded their fleet and are now driving Shopman trucks. So this is Shopman company. Not going over there. Just showcasing you guys. So Shopman powered by Tankweld. Alright, so in front of us now is a mega warehouse, which I did a previous drone video on. I'll put the link for that drone video in the comments so you guys can see. So this warehouse is coming from far. It's a mega structure. They're still working on it. Mega structure over this side. On the right seems to be two warehouses though, so it's not one big one, but seems to be two of them. And then we have Raymore Trading, which has some other mega warehouse as well. So this is the Raymore Distribution Center. We're gonna come out this side and then turn back. I'll probably try turning the pathway off the gate so you guys probably can take a glimpse on the warehouse. So it seems as if Tankweld is taking over this area. A lot of Tankweld truck over there. So if my memory serves me right, I think I read an article where Tankweld is building some of these warehouses. So they have the money, they have the steel, they have the capital, and then they're gonna lease it to other companies. So I think that's what they're doing. I think Tankweld is the person developing most of these areas. Then over here is Raymore. Another mega warehouse all the way down. Raymore Trading. Alright, so that's Raymore Gate. So as I said, some mega warehouse, and Tankweld seems to be the builder / developer, and then they'll probably sublease stuff like that. And this is another Tankweld facility right in front of us. Around the corner though, probably you guys are wondering, let's take the right. I think a few other complexes around the corner, and then that's the road that brings you up to Plantation Heights up in the hill. Usually this road is super bad. So just gonna go around the corner and see what's around here. So these are some other gates for the Raymore warehouse. recording on a weekend day, so not a lot of activity today. Alright, so right here is another complex, which is Label Crafts Jamaica Limited. First I'm seeing that company. If you guys know what that company is about, you can let me know. Label Crafts Jamaica Limited. And then around here is a scary, lonely road that you don't want to break down or get a puncture on. And then this road brings you up now into the hills, up into Plantation Heights. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this driving video. I'll soon turn back. Thanks for clicking. Remember to subscribe. Remember to like. Remember to share, because we're trying to grow this new channel. We're up on the point of recording. We're not at 1,000 subscribers yet, which is kind of ironic, because we know we have 17,000 persons on the main channel. So what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe. Alright, so that's up in the hills now. A lot of mansions, multi-story right up here. Let's try zooming on one of these over this side. What you guys think? You guys love the hill type homes where you have a lot of view? What you guys think? Or you want to be on the flat, in the city, in the hustle and the bustle? What do you guys prefer? Alright, so again guys, thanks for your support. It's gonna turn somewhere around here. Thanks for liking and watching and subscribing to this video. Really appreciate it guys. So I'll see you on another video. And as usual, you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Really appreciate you guys.